Xiaomi Original GT3 Drone, 8K dual camera, 5G GPS, and 720 degrees obstacle avoidance for professional aerials. The Xiaomi Original GT3 Drone is a high-performance, foldable quadcopter designed for capturing breathtaking 8K aerial photography and videography. Equipped with dual HD cameras, precise 5G GPS and optical flow localization, a long 40-minute flight time, an intelligent 720 degrees omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, the GT3 empowers you to explore the skies with confidence and capture professional quality footage. Key features: 8K HD dual camera system. Capture stunning visuals with the front-facing wide-angle 8K HD camera, delivering exceptional clarity and detail. The bottom optical flow HD lens allows for switching camera angles, providing versatile shooting options. Self-stabilizing electronic image stabilization, EIS. The servo gimbal design enhances stability, while EIS further minimizes vibrations, ensuring smoother and clearer picture lines. 5G GPS and optical flow localization. Enjoy stable and precise flight positioning with 5G GPS and optical flow localization, allowing for accurate hovering and reliable flight paths. 720 degrees omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Navigate safely and confidently with comprehensive 720 degrees omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, effectively preventing collisions from all directions. Long 40-minute flight time. Explore and capture more with an extended flight time of approximately 40 minutes, thanks to the high-capacity 3.7V 2200 mAh lithium-ion battery. Brushless motor. Experience powerful, reliable, and efficient performance with the durable brushless motor, providing stronger power and a longer service life. 5 GHz anti-interference technology. Enjoy stable and responsive control with 5 GHz anti-interference technology, ensuring a reliable connection between the drone and the remote. Customizable flight route. Plan and execute unique flight paths by drawing your desired route on the dedicated mobile app. Intelligent flight modes. Utilize various intelligent flight modes, including one-key return, headless mode, gesture photography or video recognition, and more. Adjustable camera angle. Remotely adjust the front camera angle up to 90 degrees for optimal framing. Compact and lightweight design. The drone's foldable design and lightweight make it highly portable and exempt from certain aviation control restrictions. Specifications: camera, 8K HD front camera plus optical flow bottom camera. Gimbal, self-stabilizing electronic image stabilization, EIS. Positioning, 5G GPS plus optical flow localization. Obstacle avoidance, 720 degrees omnidirectional. Flight time, about 40 minutes. Battery, 3.7V 2200 mAh lithium-ion. Control distance, 5000 m. FPV distance, about 1500 m. Motor, brushless. Image transmission, 5G high-frequency Wi-Fi. Remote control battery, AAA3. Video resolution, front 3840 by 2160p. Photo resolution, front 7680 by 4320p. Frame rate, 25 frames per second. Focal length, 50x. Folded size, 12.5 by 8.1 by 5.3 cm. Open size, 28 by 22 by 5 cm. Takeoff weight, 132 grams. Package included: 1 Xiaomi Original GT3 RC Quadcopter, 1 remote control, 1 3.7V 1800 mAh Li polymer battery. Note: Description mentions 2200 mAh. Actual package contents may vary. For spare propellers: 1 USB charging cable, 1 screwdriver, 2 user manuals. Overall, the Xiaomi Original GT3 Drone is a top-tier aerial photography platform that offers exceptional image quality, intelligent flight features, and robust safety measures. Its 8K dual-camera system, advanced obstacle avoidance, and long flight time make it an ideal choice for both amateur and professional aerial content creators.